Welcome you all to the Bishop Academy online class. In class 10, subject mathematics, topic property of various types of a quadrilateral. Part 2. A quadrilateral is a first rectangle if its opposite sides are equal and the diagonal are equal. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Opposite sides are equal. AB equal to CD and BC equal to DA. And diagonal are also equal. AC equal to diagonal BD. Second, square. If all its sides are equal and diagonal are equal. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. All sides equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. And diagonal are also equal. Diagonal AC equal to diagonal BD. Third, parallelogram. If its opposite sides are equal. A, B, C, D is quadrilateral. Opposite sides are equal. AB equal to CD and BC equals to DA. The quadrilateral shape in a parallelogram. Fourth, parallelogram but not a rectangle. If its opposite sides are equal and the diagonal are not equal. A quadrilateral ABCD, if AB equal to CD, BC equal to DA. But diagonal AC not equal to diagonal BD. And last, rhombus but not a square. If all its sides are equal and diagonal are not equal. A quadrilateral A, B, C, D. All sides equal. AB, BC, CD and DA. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. But diagonal are not equal. AC not equal to diagonal BD. Some example. Example. Find the value of x by which the distance between the point P, coordinate are 4, -5 and Q 12, x is 10 unit. Solution. Two-point coordinate are P 4, -5 and Q 12, x. The distance between PQ is 10 unit. By distance formula, PQ equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The distance between PQ is 10 unit. 10 equal to under root 12 minus 4 whole square plus x minus the product of minus and minus plus x plus I whole square. Squaring both sides. 10 square equal to 12 minus 4, 8 whole square plus x plus I whole square. 10 square is 100 equal to 8 square is 64 plus x plus I whole square. Then x plus I whole square equal to 100 minus 64. X plus I whole square equal to 6. Then x plus I whole square equals to 6 square. X plus I equal to plus minus 6. X plus I equal to 6 or x plus I equal to minus 6. X equal to 6 minus 5 and x plus I equal to minus 6. X equal to 1 and also x equal to minus 6 minus 5. X equal to minus 11. Hence, the value of x are 1 and minus 11.